Okay, guys, so as I said, we're here for the fitness test. The fitness test is going to last for 3 minutes in total. You have a few moves to do. So first of all, it's going to be a 30-second plank hold. Straight into 30 seconds of push-ups, okay? You can do push-ups on your knees or you can do full push-ups if you want to. You have a 30-second break, then straight into a 30-second goblet squat hold with a piece of equipment, a dumbbell, a kettlebell, whatever you have at your disposal. And then once that's done, straight into as many goblet squats as possible. And that will be your fitness test. Mark your number, and in a few weeks' time, you repeat it, and let's see how much you get. Contender, are you ready? Gladiators, ready. Okay, fitness test time, Romani. Let's get ready to rock and roll. We are heading off with a 30-second plank in 3, 2, 1, go. That's it. Here we go. Okay, I wonder what Romani is thinking of right now. 10. Well, you're halfway through your plank right now, so you're doing good. There you go. 10 more seconds, and then you go straight into push-ups. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push-ups. Let's go. Well done, Romani. Solid form, as expected. 20 seconds to go, and then you get a little bit of a break. Well done. 10 more seconds, Romani, and then you get a break. Good push-ups, keep them consistent. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30-second break. Well done. So now just relax. Don't get too relaxed though. And then you're going to get ready for your goblet squat hold. That's it. As you can see, guys, Romani is buzzing. This is light work for you. Light work. Okay, you've got 12 seconds and you're going into a goblet squat hold. Remember, guys, form is very, very important in all these fitness tests. We're heading off in 3, 2, 1. Squat hold. Let's go. That's it. Well done, well done. Again, guys, also notice the gap in between her elbows and her knees, okay? Do not lean on your knees, just keep the gap. You've got 15 seconds, Romani. 10 seconds. Well done, well done. Straight into your 1-minute squats in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. 21. 22, 23, halfway, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 10 seconds, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. Woo. How was that? Put it down. Don't worry, I'll need to. Go on. How was that? Yeah?
The first part was fine.
Yeah.
The second part is not fine.
The goblet squats, right? What number were you going for in your head? 50.
More than 50.
Nearly there, nearly there.
2 off.
Two off.
A bit slow at the start.
Okay. So that means in a few weeks' time, you're going to come back here. How many do you think you'll get next time? Considering you were close to 50 today.
I'll go 53.
53?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, 5 more.
Let's do it.
53. All right, guys, so that's your fitness test. Well done, Romani, for getting that done. Again, follow exactly what she did. Mark your number today. Give yourself a mental challenge for next time and see if you can beat that number. Well done, Romani. Well done. Good job. Right. Last word of advice for our challenges.
Shake out his legs beforehand and after, guys, because they're going to be very solid. You're going to need to stretch.
There you go. Lovely. All right. Well done. Cheers, guys. Well done, Romani.
Bye.